Hi, I'm Chef Peter, and this is Cook with Peter on hooplaha.com. Today we're making potato pancakes. Thanks for joining me, Karina. I decided to surprise my fairy godmother, Wally, with them because whenever I go to her house, she always makes them for me, so it's kind of...
Oh, that was the way that you learned it?
Yeah. So I just finished up grating these 4 potatoes, and we're gonna grate them now.
So she doesn't know that we're doing...
Not at all, so keep it a secret.
This is a workout.
I know. That's why I told you to do it.
Yes, I see. Well, you know that you owe me a manicure day.
After you finish grating, we're gonna put our potatoes in a big bowl.
I'm going to use my hands,
Yeah,
which
best
are the
tools in
best.
cooking,
Yes.
yeah. We are going to add 2 eggs, and then we have 3 tablespoons of flour. Now we're gonna add a little bit of salt and some pepper. You should be able to not see any flour, big chunks of flour. Really stir it. I got my workout today now. Now that our mixture's together, we're gonna go over to our stove that already has oil in it on a skillet and fry them up. These really don't take that long, and it's really good because I think Wally might start to get a little suspicious.
You think Wally is going to love it?
Oh yeah.
Well, try to make some extra for me too.
Okay, so now the potato pancakes are all done. It's time to surprise Wally. This is for you.
That's for me?
Yeah,
Did you make it for me?
yeah. It is time to
This is the
eat.
best lunch I have had for a long, long time.
Let's see.
So good.
And so easy. And just amazing. Almost as good as the ones that you made. I think the potato pancakes were amazing. They were definitely a success with Wally. Thanks for watching Cook with Peter on hooplaha.com.